Okay, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody, or whatever holiday you celebrate. Hope everybody had a good break. I know I did. Got away from trading for a little while. Nice to take a break and clear your head. Maybe work on some new setups. So I hope everybody had a good holiday season. And what I wanted to show you is we've got a trade here Monday morning on the NQ, and we're working on a new version of Renko Kings 2.0.
NQ trade alert.
And what I want to show you is I have the breakout trade incorporated in the logic now. We've been working on this for a while. So if you notice, we have entry signals here.
NQ trade alert.
Okay, and I can go and I can place a breakout line here for low, and then there's also a long breakout line. Okay, and I would put that here. Now, the way we would do it manually, right, is we would just, you would have seen me draw a box out of here, right? And I would draw a box down here. And manually I'd be waiting for confirmation for that to go ahead and break through that box. So I'm going to remove the box now so we don't clutter up the screen. And the signals are gone. Okay, and the purpose of this is for you to be able to focus more on the breakout trade, specifically the breakout trade. Okay, so if you don't want to do the breakout trade, then don't draw these lines, because it's not going to allow any other signals to print. Okay, so once we break out of this line, then we'll start printing valid signals again. Okay, so you can see we're right up against it, this resistance. We're kissing it a few times here. So basically what we need to do is see if we actually break out of this. If we do, then we're going to wait and see if we get a valid signal. Okay, so you can see that we broke out of the line. So now we're just we're waiting to see if we get a valid setup. Okay.
NQ trade alert. NQ trade alert. NQ, buy signal 1.
Order filled.
Okay, a little slow on the draw there, but we still got filled in the proper place. Wow, that's moving fast. You can see we got a beautiful signal, nice
Target
clean
filled.
retracement. Nice, nice. Wow, this is moving fast. Let's mark our trade. Second target is just, that's not correct. So ideally I'd like that second target to be below this high here, but let's see what happens. Nice.
Target filled.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice start to the week. Okay, 25 plus 52 plus 100 is 177. Whoops. Times $5 a tick. If you're not a futures guy, maybe you're a Forex guy. 885. Nice, nice trade. Okay, so let's review here for a minute, okay? So we're working on this new version. It's not out yet. We need to make sure that we work out all the bugs. We had a manual process of identifying these breakout trades, right? And I would go ahead and I would identify these areas manually on my chart, okay? And manually we would have to go ahead and identify them and look for the entry. So I'm trying to help people and clean up the chart, because some people have a difficult time seeing too many different entries on the chart, okay? So when I place, when we go ahead and we place these, okay, and these are added inside your drawing tool, okay, they're down here, all right? When we go ahead and we place these lines, it will automatically start removing the entry signals, okay? And until we actually break the breakout line, there will be no more entry signals plotted, okay? So I drew those lines somewhere around this time frame, I'm guessing, okay? We broke through right here, okay? We continued through. We had a beautiful retracement, okay? It's nice and clean. There was no hesitation. And then we got the best possible signal, in my opinion, which was a yellow, okay? And the software printed it, okay? So we can go ahead and take that entry, okay? We got 25, 52, and 100, okay? So 177
NQ
ticks,
trade alert.
$5 a tick, $885. So anybody who has the software, when we release this, this is included. You will get all of these additional features. If for some reason you don't like the features,
NQ trade alert.
I can help you restore it with the settings back to version 1.06, which is what you're using right now. So this will be 2.0 or 2 point something, depending on how many revisions we have to do. But yeah, I'm just trying to showcase this a little bit and show you what we've been working on for a while in the background here. And I'm pretty excited about it. This is pretty cool. So I hope that explanation helps, guys. You guys kept me real busy during the holiday season.
NQ by Signal 4.
Just if you're struggling or you're new with the software, just be patient and watch plenty of my videos and study the videos. Don't just stare at them with glazed eyes. Watch specifically what I'm doing and listen to the explanations of why I'm taking or not taking a particular setup, and then try and apply that information to your practicing, okay? But if you have any questions, please just send me an email. I'm happy to help. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.